Hello everyone, this is Mr. Creeps, and today I'm going to be doing a sapling tutorial. And this is going to be a pretty complex tutorial since you have to make a structure, and you have to have 3 blocks. And also a lot of procedures, so let's get right into this. So the first block we want to make is we want to make our wood block, and you can have log rotation on here. I already have textures on here, have some properties as well, and this right here is just the basic block. Now what we have to do is we have to have our leaf block, and our leaf block is really what counts the most. And what we have to do is we have to make sure that it's leaves, and also we have to make sure that the block sound is plants. We have to make sure that this is leaves so we can actually hear it. Next, what we have to do is we have to go to triggers, and then we're going to go to when. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Okay, when block is destroyed by player. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to make it so that I can drop a sapling. I'm going to make this 1 out of every, I don't know, like 20 leaves, which is basically 1 out of every 20. And then now what we have to do is we're just going to go to world management now, and we're going to do spawn gem. And of course okay, so finally, after that huge lag spike, there we go. We have to get the spawn gem, and then now we're gonna actually, so right now we're just gonna have to input a placeholder. Let's just put it as redstone or it's right there. Press OK. Save mod element, and then save that mod element right there. Now what we want to do is we actually want to go and we actually want to run the client. As you can see here, I already have it running, and then this is where we're actually going to make our actual tree. So let's just get our block. Let's see, somewhere here. Okay, actually this is an outdated build. Whoops. Just make sure that we run this properly. Make sure that this is in the right inventory tab. Yes, it is. That is good. And now it is just running the project. So while this is actually running, what we can do, we can just go hit the plus button right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to block again, and then now we are going to make the sapling. Okay, I guess it's already running, so we can't do that. So actually, no, let's open this back up. There we go. This will be the magic wood sapling. And I'm pretty sure I just paused my recording program multiple times there. Sorry about that. So magic wood sapling, now what we do, if you can go to block model, we're going to go to cross model here. We go to this, our texture for this, and we're going to go to, where is it? Let's see, it was going to be plants, and then this is also going to be plant. There we go. I'm going to set this to 0 and to 0. There we go. I'm also going to set this to drop amount as 1. Now what we have to do is, basically that is it for now. Actually, no, we have to go back to properties, and also we have to go to is replaceable. We actually have to go and let's see, where is it? Can walk through block. We do a couple more procedures with it, but not for now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the single player. We're going to go to our world here, and then here's where we're going to be building our tree structure. So this does not, sadly, this is going to be it will be a bit more complicated if you actually have a custom biome and you're doing this, just because it'll be a bit different. But I'll explain that later on in the video. And here we can get our block. We leave the magic wood leaves here. And we can just build our simple tree here, as you can see. But that's not supposed to happen. I just forgot to select the other texture thing. Well, there we go. That's going to be our tree for now. I know it looks really, really, really bad. Actually, let's make this look a bit better. Yeah, there you go. That is the most beautiful tree you've ever seen, am I right? Now we're just going to do /give at self structure block, because we actually have to save this as a structure block. No, not structure void. Structure, okay. /give at self structure block. There we go. What we'll do is we're actually going to place this somewhere over here. Place it right there. We're going to place it right here, because that is the corner of the structure. Try that right there. Make sure that this is a clear path. We're gonna go to, I don't know, like magic wood tree. The structure will make this structure size just, let's say 10. You can actually get a good understanding of how big it is. And as you can see here, that is not the right size. You can clearly see that. And you can see the relative position is way off, so we're just going to experiment with this a little bit. Do -5. That is not good. Set that to 0, and we'll make this -5. See, that's a bit better, but not really, because that takes out almost everything in that area. Let's slow this down to maybe like 5 and 5 here. And now it's not covering that area. So now we have to make this -4. There we go. And then that should cover everything and also not take out any of the other surrounding structures. There we go. All to do is just click save. And then we can just go to load and make sure that this is right. Magic wood tree. And as you can see, the position was prepared. You can just load that, and as you can see, our tree has spawned. So that's how we know that we did a good job there. So now let's go back to our mod here. And then what we're going to do is we have to go to resources. We're going to go to structures. We're going to go to import structure from Minecraft. Here it is. Now what we have to do is we have to create a new structure. The structure spawn. And then this right here is where we're creating our tree. So this will be the magic wood tree. There you go. And then we're going to make this pretty rare. Because why not? Actually, no, we're going to make this 1 million. Because we want this to be big. There we go. So it's going to be 1 every chunk. So this is not actually what you want. You might want it like 1 every 100 chunks or 1 every 1,000 chunks. This right here is spawn probability per 1,000,000 chunks. So you can just do that. And we're going to make this, I don't know, maybe like, actually we're going to keep that at 1 just for now because, I mean, there's a lot. And then also we're going to do air and structure block because we do not want all the air there because there is a lot of air in that structure. So we just want to get rid of all that. And there we go. That is really all you need to do for the structure. Now we're going to go to the sapling. And so this right here is going to be on update tick. So we'll make this. So let's actually just bust out our trusty calculator. There we go. And we're doing some math here. Okay. So basically this right here is, actually no, we're not going to be doing any math because math is for nerds. Let's just try to guess how long this will take us. Well, let's just try to guess because I don't want to do any math, even on a calculator, because I don't want this to be boring. So let's just make that like, there we go. I don't know how many ticks that is. You can do math. I'm not. I don't know how many times I said math there. But now we can do, now we can actually make it so that it spawns in our structure right there. And actually, before we do that, we actually have to go to block procedures and we have to go and place block at XYZ. Of course, there is a huge lag spike now. MCreator and its lag spikes. That's great. Well, actually, what we also have to do as well is create another procedure for this. Basically, it's going to be 1 block added. Okay, there's a lot of lag, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, actually, no, this one doesn't have any lag. So, okay, never mind. And we're going to do place air here. So we're going to make sure that the place air is correct. It's above the place structure there. Save that mod element, and then right here what we need to do is we got to actually test to make sure that the block is grass. So if lag spike, awesome. I don't know why I'm creating so many lag spikes. I'll just pause the recording. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so lag is over for like 10 seconds. It's a long time to be waiting. But now we're going to do if block, doing the get block procedure down here, or is, okay, now we don't want is solid, we want the get block at XYZ. And we have to go to Minecraft components, we're going to get the color matching one, and this we're going to go to not flow control, we're going to go to logic, place the matching color right there, block at grass block. There we go. If it is not grass blocks, we're going to go to, pretty sure it will be logic, yes. If it is not grass block, what we're going to do is we're going to make it go to block procedures, and we will make it so that it, we're going to make it so that it actually destroys it and it drops. There we go. So, and then actually we have to actually fix that up. We need to do it as -1y, because that has to be the block below. So, there we go. That's nice. Well, perfect. Save the model element, and now I'm pretty sure actually we might be done. Actually, no, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. What we have to do is we have to go now to triggers. We have to go to block, right clicked, and then we're going to go to flow control. We're going to go to entity procedures. Go to item in main hand of target entity. Nice lag. Nice lag. Lag spike goes over. I got some extra stuff, so now what you need to do is you also need to go to logic to get this one, and then go to Minecraft components to get this block right here. We go to item in main hand of target entity. Let's do this as bone meal. Bone meal. There we go. And then now what we have to do is we're going to go to item procedures. We're going to go scroll the way all the way down. And you go to shrink provided item stack. Not item stack. Item stack. There we go. And then now what we have to do is now we're actually going to add another one from the template library. Do a 7% chance. And then we will do place block at XYZ. Perfect. And we'll replace that with air. And then we're going to go to world management and place the structure right there. Okay, lag spike. Beautiful. Okay, so lag is over. As you can see, we replaced it. And save model element. As you can see here, that is a lot of stuff just for a growing sapling. So let's actually pause it. Wait, which one is it? It's this one right here. And we're actually going to change the version because this is my main mod right here. And then we're going to make this 1.4.2. Just make sure that it is correct. Let's go to my mod page, and then we're just going to go to Magician's Awakening. Make sure that it is correctly. Actually, no, it's 0.1. Okay. Just want to make sure that this is actually correct. And there we go. So let's just run the client and let's see our beautiful hard work of creating a growable sapling. I know this was a bit of a longer tutorial. Actually, I have no idea how long this tutorial was, but I hope it was not like 20 or 30 minutes, even though it probably was 20 or 30 minutes. So yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, I'd be very appreciative if you were to subscribe. I'll see you guys all next time. And yeah, so I don't know why I say I'll see you guys all next time if this is not my outro. So I need to show you it. But yeah, we're on our way to 150 subscribers. I keep on saying 150. 250 subscribers. So yeah, I really thank you guys so much for helping reach this far. So let us start our testing with, or not, let us end and conclude our testing, not start our testing. Let's conclude our testing and make sure that we didn't make it too quick. Place it down. Hopefully this should grow eventually. The bone meal. Well, is that an error? Yes, that is an error. I don't know why that's not working. Well, this is not the end, I guess. Check our triggers, and okay, so makes sense why that didn't work, is because we can't actually do it. Okay, so that's weird. What did we mess up this time? Sapling clicked on. Oh, okay, we actually had to do not deprovided. I know that we actually had to main hand our target entity. Yep, that's what messed up everything. So hopefully this works now. And also while this is loading, I also want to give a shout out to Lion Taji Hortogs. I'm sorry if I absolutely destroyed your name. Sorry about that. Yeah, thank you so much for actually executing this tutorial. Okay, I messed something up again. Hold up. Yep, I knew it. I forgot to actually set it here. There we go. Nice. This is gonna be like a 40-minute tutorial. So, yep, this is about the end of the video here. So, yeah, let's just test out this one last time. And look at that. It's summoned in our structure just right there. And, yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. And goodbye, guys.